Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting straight to the clip and marking the target word. Import the source into your editor, set the timeline frame rate to match the footage, and keep a backup. Once done, scrub to the exact frame range where the word appears and create in /out markers so you can isolate the audio and visual elements. You do this because precise selection prevents downstream drift and makes replacement far easier when you add new audio or overlays. You now tackle the core edit, replace the word. First extract or momentarily mute the original audio track, then prepare your replacement, recorded voice or TTS. Once you have audio, align it to the original phrasing and match timing. Tiny time stretching or pitch tweaks of 1 to 3% make it seamless. If the subject's mouth is visible, add a subtle overlay or a warp/mask to correct lip sync. Make sure to crossfade and mask. You finish by blending and verifying the edit so it's indistinguishable. Mix the replacement audio into the scene using EQ, subtle reverb, and ambient noise to match the original environment, then render a short test clip. Once done, watch at normal speed and at half speed to catch sync or mouth match problems. If you find artifacts or timing issues, revert to your backup and retry with a different take or more precise time warping. Otherwise, export the final file with your project's original codecs and settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.